I'm out in the back here, and I just brought him another great big caribou bone. And he's dancing because oh yeah, you know it's there. Oh, what? Oh my goodness. What you doing, sweetheart? Loci. What you doing? Loci. What you doing? You're so pretty. You can see Sarge in the background there. Loci. Come and eat. You want your big bone, don't you? Hey, do you know it's here? Come and eat. Oh, you're so pretty. Yes, you are. There's Sarge there. Hi, sweetheart. Come and eat. No, he really wants his caribou, so I'll just turn this. Oh, no, he's going to come and eat. Come and eat. Oh, good boy. Good boy, Loci. Good boy. Come on, sweetheart. I'm giving him rollover first. Come on, sweetheart. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. Come on. That's a good boy. He came last night and had a big feed, didn't ya? Hey, did you have a big feed? Yeah. It's okay, Loci. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Come on. You see the bag that I've got the caribou right here. Yeah, you do, don't ya? That's good. Is that good? Oh, boy. That's good stuff. Yeah. That's good stuff. Beautiful day today. Beautiful. The trees are just covered in soft snow. There's a lot of ice fog, and it's snowing right now. Okay, I'm going to turn this off and give him his caribou leg. Just hang on a sec.